Welcome back to Fox 45 News at 10. And well, we had some thunderstorms. Maybe your neighborhood did not get any, but let me show you right here. This is the storm that around 8 o'clock, there's the yellow. Some heavy embedded thunderstorms were with that system, gusting winds and some reports of a little bit of hail. Now, right in D.C. at this hour, as you can see, the yellow just south of Baltimore, another heavy thunderstorms popping up down there. So it looks like we are free for any thunderstorm activity tonight, but when you get the heat and the humidity like we had today, you're going to see this. Watch it. Here we go once again. This is the latest thunderstorm that's rumbled through the area. The one earlier this evening that crossed right across northern Baltimore, southeast Baltimore County, zipped on through the bay, broke apart. Looks like it could be a repeat pattern tomorrow, another hot scorcher, and then some thunderstorms late afternoon and early evening hours. We have cooled down at BWI Thurgood Marshall Airport to 78 degrees. We showed you 90 was our daytime high today. And would you believe what, just a couple of days ago out in Garrett County, they had some snow in Deep Creek? Today out in Garrett County, they were hotter than we were in Baltimore, 92 degrees. Look at the temperature change over the last 24 hours. 13 degrees cooler than we were yesterday at this hour. So you can see we are definitely with a summer-like pattern in this last weekend of April. Those gusty winds we had now are down toward D.C. with that thunderstorm. But look at this. They've leveled off, and we don't expect any thunderstorm activity in central Maryland until probably late tomorrow afternoon, early evening. Here we go at the radar. That is the well-defined cell. But to the north, we have just a few clouds out there, nothing to worry about. But take a look at this storm system stretching from Oklahoma on up through the upper Great Lakes. Could be some tornadic activity. Now, that's not what gave us the thunderstorms. Our heat and humidity caused that. This system wants to get in here, but we have intense high pressure that's been giving us this real steamy weather. It's been holding off that frontal boundary until probably Wednesday before we start to get a little bit back to reality and toward the end of April. Let's put the clouds and radar future scan in motion. We'll be good tomorrow with that hazy sunshine, and then watch toward the end of the day in the afternoon. Here we go, breaking out of some of those thunderstorms once again. So maybe if you're outdoors cooking out or just having fun, keep an eye to the sky because there could be a repeat pattern of what we had today. Let's take a look and see what we have out there. Temperature-wise, future temps, we go through tomorrow, the overnight in the 60s, 70s, 75, 85, and how about 89 degrees we'll call it tomorrow. Don't be too disappointed if we get to 92. You know why? That is the record. We may melt the record. If we can get this to 92, set back in 1990, but we'll probably come a little short of that tomorrow. We'll keep out some hope. Let's go for the record, right? 59 degrees overnight low temperature. Yeah, you might have to crank that AC once again tomorrow out on the bay if you're heading out on your boat or your dinghy. Yeah, we've got a high tide right around 8:08 tomorrow with a beautiful day. 80 degrees along the eastern shore, cooler because of the water at 50 degrees. 89 in central Maryland, maybe 90, and then 88 degrees in western Maryland with some hazy sunshine. Here's where we go with that 5-day. 90 degrees, you know all about tomorrow, and that's a big event, by the way, down at the Baltimore Museum of Industry. It's the Port to the Fort for the Believe in Tomorrow Children's Foundation. Go out and support them, or even walk. Hey, 6K, not bad, especially before the big heat comes in for the rest of the day. 88 on Monday. We're going to be like Martha and the Vandellas, that heat wave going right through Tuesday. Scattered thunderstorms come in. 71. We should be at 68 this time of year, and it looks like right now, the last day of April, 68 degrees. You're wondering if the 1st of May, maybe we'll get a little 80s again, 90 degrees. I'll have to let you know in my 7-day forecast coming up in just a little bit.
A manhunt is
stroke compared to others.